There's my helpers back there. Wave. Or something. They just ignore me. That's what they do. This sucks. This really sucks. Hey, good morning, everybody. Say hey, man.
Hey!
Yeah, that's a pretty lady right there. Anyway, we're already getting calls for some of our stuff, so what we're going to do now is set up to serve curbside so we can get some money coming in. This is where we're going to put it. We've got a couple extra doors and some 2x, and we're going to make a little bar here with all our stuff. We've got sinks so we can wash out our containers, and we've got a water machine. Not sure if that works yet, but we'll find out. And we shall go from there. What do you have to say?
We'll let y'all know when we can start serving curbside when we're done. Let you know the dates and the times.
Right. Yeah, these shelves are a little old and janky, but they'll work. Got our starter water machine for the teas. Mindy's over here cleaning out this old fridge. Stuff. Moving on. Alright, so you can see I sawzalled those doorknobs off. Mindy tried to show me how they work. Couldn't figure it out either, so instead of spending hours trying to fix the doorknobs we didn't even have a key to, I just used the sawzall. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
Alright, focus. Okay, as you can see, we got our bar in. Lots of fun. Lots and lots of fun. This is a Phillips screwdriver that goes into your finger spinning. Yeah, I said a few choice words there. It's all good. Drop on. Got Mindy out here.
Brother in hell.
Yeah. Coming along, coming along. I won't put it in there, babe. Everybody wearing one of them face masks look like they just rolled out of Planet of the Apes. It's okay, it's not just you. Oh, that is awesome right there. I was pulling chunks of that out of the daggone Phillips bit. That is sexy. Hey, babe, kiss and make it better. Been a long day. We got her done. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Word.
To your mama.
Or whoever else is listening.
Yeah.
I know this doesn't look like much. It's just the back room of an old investor's office. We definitely need more inventory, but since Mindy and I have started down this road, we have never been happier. Nothing sucks more than having your own goals and dreams in the back of your head when you're working for someone else. Working for someone else isn't necessarily a bad thing, but working with someone to better the lives of others is a feeling you can't put into words. This is just an old shop Mindy and I are turning into a place where people can come to feel better physically, mentally, and with enough smiles and encouragement spiritually. But we couldn't do it without our team, where everyone is working for you to succeed. We've got a lot to do. We are all in, and we are working for us, our teammates, and a better future we can call our own. This may just be an old building, but we will make it our own. And we will win.